Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to top up Pay without Chinese bank account. If you're new to both Alipay and WeChat Pay apps, my suggestion is to get Alipay. You'll find its installation and application processes simpler and more intuitive with instructions in English. Alipay rolled out its international version of the application that supports international credit cards in November 2019. The 2023 updated version removed the Tour Pass function that requires foreign users to top up a native e-wallet before usage. First, download Alipay on Play Store or for Android. After that, install and enter your existing mobile number. You'll get a verification code via SMS and set it to the international version. Now, set up your account, tap on Me, and tap Bank Cards. And then, tap on Plus Add Card to add your existing international credit cards. To make a payment using the Alipay app, go back to Alipay's main screen and tap on the Pay or Collect or Scan icon below the search bar. A QR code reader will appear, prompting you to scan the merchant QR code for payment. Credit card schemes supported by Alipay include Visa, MasterCard, Diners Club, Discover, JCB, and Union Pay. Note, American Express or Amex card are currently not accepted. Now, if you're already a user of WeChat as a messaging platform, activating WeChat Pay is going to be a breeze for you. If you don't already have WeChat installed on your phone, go through all the steps in this video. Download WeChat on Play Store. If you're an existing user, update your app to the latest version. Open the app and sign up with your existing phone number. Be sure to choose the correct country or area code. You'll get a verification code via SMS to set up your account. It's common to face errors when signing up for a new WeChat account. Check that your name is spelled with a space in between, or that your number has never been used to create a WeChat account. You may also be prompted for a second verification, getting friends in your WeChat contact to verify your account by sending a code through. Then, tap on Services under Me and tap on Wallet and Cards. Add and fill out the details of the personal credit cards you wish to link, and you will be prompted to verify your identity by uploading a photo of your passport. To make a payment using the WeChat Pay app, go to Me section and tap on the Money icon. A QR code reader will appear, prompting you to scan the merchant's QR code for payment. Card schemes supported by WeChat Pay include Visa, MasterCard, American Express, JCB, Diners Club, and Discover. Previously, in order to activate the payment function on Alipay or WeChat's mobile app, users would first need to have either a China bank account or Chinese bank-issued credit card. And to have either of these, users need to be a Chinese citizen or a resident with a valid residential address in China. But now, tourists can now link their international credit cards to these mobile payments. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.